Today you will do your key drawing. And in the end, you will have 6 different drawings of parts of a key. So you will not draw the entire key, but parts of the key. So to begin, you need a viewfinder, keys. You may use up to 3 different keys and a piece of white drawing paper. You will also use a 6B sketching pencil and an eraser. To begin, you're first going to write your first and last name. Then you will flip your paper over and you will fold it the hot dog way, so the long way. For this part, the folding is very important, so make sure that the corners and the sides line up. The next step is a little trickier. You will fold it so that we have 3 equal parts. You are not going to fold it in half. Instead, you're going to fold it in thirds. So you're going to fold it about 1/3 of the way, and this should look like a square. A little bit more. It's okay if you see your name. Then you will fold this side over to meet. This way you are going to have 6 equal squares on your paper. Once you are done folding it, you can open it up, name on the other side, and you can begin drawing. Now these 6 squares represent what you will see in the viewfinder. So what you will see in this viewfinder, you're going to draw and enlarge it in 1 square. For example, I'm going to choose this square, or this key, to start. I'm going to use my viewfinder to find an interesting angle. I am going to do this view right here for my first one. I will then draw that in this square, remembering that it has to be just as big. Paying attention to it's almost to the very top here, okay, and it's a little over halfway here. So I know again it's almost the top here, and it's about a little over halfway. So I'm going to go ahead and draw the key, paying attention to all of the details, all of the lines. I'm drawing this a little darker than you should. I would do it lighter, then it's easier to erase, but for the sake of you seeing it on the screen, I'm drawing it a little darker. Now I can see even more details, so I'm going to go in
Joe Keller,
and draw those details.
Joe Keller, come to the office.
All the lines. Now all you have to do is draw lines. You don't have to do any shading or any coloring. We will do that next week, or after the clay project. So I have my first key done. Next I will move to another square and I will choose a different part. So I think that this is very interesting. So now I'm going to draw this part of the key, paying extra close attention to all of these little details. So this is about a little less than halfway, and that is straight. Goes to the top all the way to the bottom. Now here, it's about here, and there are some pretty cool indents and shapes in this key. And you want to draw all of them. Now I'm going to go and I see a line here. I'm going to draw that line. I see another line going through some of these. I'm going to draw that. Now again, we will go back next time and add more shading. Okay, but I'm paying attention to all the details. I will continue to draw 6 or 4 more to make up 6 squares. You can use up to 3 different keys, so I could then change and do this key. Now on this key, I know it's hard for you to see on the camera, but it does have letters and words. So you need to use those exact, or as close to you can, words. So I will write ACE, and I will write USA, and I will write the letters WK2. So by the end, you will have 6 different views of a key, noticing how my keys take up a lot of my square. I am not just doing a teeny little part or like that. I am trying to do as much detail of 3 different keys as I can.